This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Avail Now 2/2 first floor Vista Royale condo. New air conditioner. Private, enclosed porch overlooks pond west/golf course beyond. Short walk from parking, laundry steps away. New kitchen west/granite counters, new appliances, tile in kitchen/living room/baths, new carpet in bedrooms, new flooring on porch. 55 plus community has 4 clubhouses west/pools, tennis, fitness, shuffleboard, active social calendar. Golf available. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.